Good afternoon, my name is Patrick. I'm the product concierge over at Mercedes-Benz of Walnut Creek. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to adjust your sound settings on your 2019 Mercedes-Benz E300. Now, in order to adjust your sound settings, you will have to be either in the radio or the media section. For today's demonstration, we'll be using the radio. Now, that'll change our screen up here. What we're trying to get to is that music icon on the right-hand side of the screen right there. In order to do so, we'll be using the center console control unit. We're going to push that wheel all the way to the right. We're going to scroll down till we get to sound. We're going to go ahead and select on it. Now from there, you can adjust your equalizer, you can adjust your balance and fader, you can turn on your automatic volume adjustment, you can also turn on your surround sound as well as set your sound focus. In order to adjust either of these, you're going to go ahead and select on which one you'd want to adjust. And then using that same wheel on your center control unit, we're going to go ahead and either swipe left or we can swipe right. And to adjust them up or down, you're just going to go ahead and scroll. And just like that, you're able to adjust your sound settings. Thank you for watching.